Hi everyone, welcome to Savior Sank. In this session, we are going to learn important Indian towns on banks of rivers with shortcut tricks that will help you to remember in a better way. If you go through this session, you have no need to revision, and in the end of the session, you will going to know some important towns of India on the banks of river. So please watch this video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. River Ganga, 2500 kilometer. Ganga is our national river. It rises in the Gangatri glacier near Gomukh in Uttarakhand. Here it is known as the Bhagirathi. So the river Ganga was originated from Uttarakhand near Gamukh. At Devprayag, the Bhagirathi meets the Alakananda. Hereafter, it is known as the Ganga. So, in the at Devprayag, the Bhagirathi river meets with Alakananda river, and then it is known as the Ganga. And the towns situated beside Ganga rivers are: number 1 Haridwar, number 2 Varanasi, number 3 Kanpur, number 4 Allahabad, number 5 Patna, 6 Bhagalpur, 7 Munger. If you see the map of India, you can easily remember it into your mind that the Ganga river was originated in Uttarakhand. And where is Uttarakhand? Uttarakhand is here. So like this, the Ganga river originates and it goes and it flow in Bay of Bengal. So through this map, you have to remember it, how the Ganga river originates and fall in the Bay of Bengal, and by which you can remember the important towns which are situated beside the Ganga river. The first of all is Haridwar. Haridwar is in Uttarakhand here, like this, not proper location, but you have to keep in mind in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Then Varanasi in UP, then Kanpur, then Allahabad, and then in Bihar, Patna. The capital of Bihar is Patna. It is also beside the Ganga river. Then Bhagalpur and Munger. All these are in Bihar, and then it fall in the Bay of Bengal. So there are 7 important city which basically come to into your exam, that Haridwar, Varanasi, Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Bhagalpur, Munger. This basically 7 towns are situated beside the Ganga river. You have to keep it mind with the map. Okay. So in the next slide, we are going to discuss about the other towns which is Nasik. Nasik is in Maharashtra, and Nashik town is situated beside Godavari. Godavari, you know that in peninsular India, the largest river is Godavari, and beside the Godavari, the Nasik town is located. So here the trick is, राम ने गदा लेके रावण का नाक तोड़ दिया था. And you have to know that Nasik is related to Ramayana. It is also connected with Lord Rama. Okay, so Rama ने गदा लेके रावण का नाक तोड़ दिया था. You have to keep in mind a short story that राम ने गदा लेके रावण का नाक तोड़ दिया था. नाक means Nasik and gada means Godavari. Okay, so by which you can remember that Godavari river is on Nashik. Here is a story short and which help you in a better knowledge that Nasik, the wine capital of India, is located in Maharashtra. It is called the wine capital of India because half of vineyards and wineries are cultivated here. It is also connected with Lord Rama. I have already told that it is a pilgrimage site of India, as Kumbh Mela is held every after 12 years, and that's why the Kumbh Mela is held here, because it is related to Lord Rama. So here the shortcut trick is, राम ने गदा लेके रावण का नाक तोड़ दिया था. Okay, so let's see the next slide. In this slide we are going to learn 5 towns. First of all, Lucknow is beside Gomti river. Lucknow, which is the capital of UP, Uttar Pradesh, is beside Gomti river. You have to know that there will be very confusion between Ganga river and Gomti river. Okay, so you have to be very careful to know. There are 7 rivers beside the Ganga. 7 towns beside the Ganga, and here we are going to know the other rivers beside the important towns of India. So Lucknow, Gomti. Here you have to know that happy-go-lucky person. Happy-go-lucky. Go means Gomti, and lucky means Lucknow. Lucknow, lucky person. Lucknow means you have to know lucky. You have to keep in mind lucky. Lucknow, lucky, and happy-go-lucky. Go means Gomti, by which you can remember. Okay, then there are 3 towns, major 3 towns, which are Delhi, Agra and Mathura. Delhi, Agra, Mathura, which are basically beside the Yamuna river. Yamuna river, which is a tributary to Ganga. From Yamuna, you can easily keep in mind Yamuna Munna, Yamuna Munna, Yamuna Munna, Yamuna Munna. तो मुन्ना दिल्ली जाके आग लगा दी. मुन्ना, यमुना मुन्ना, मुन्ना दिल्ली जाके आग लगा दी. दिल्ली मीन्स दिल्ली. दिल्ली जाके आग लगा दी, आगरा. And you have to keep in mind Mathura also beside the Yamuna river. Okay, so here the shortcut trick is Munna Dilli jaake aag laga di. Munna means Yamuna, Munna, Yamuna, Munna. Delhi means Delhi, which is the capital of our country. Jaake Agra, agra laga di. And you have to know that Agra is famous for Taj Mahal made by Shah Jahan, a Mughal king. Then Kolkata is beside Hooghly River. Kolkata is beside Hooghly. There is a confusion between Ganga river and Hooghly river. It is Hooghly river is actually a tributary river to Ganga. Damodar. From Damodar it is actually originates. So here the trick is Hooghly is beside Kolkata. So Hooghly bridge. You have to know that Hooghly bridge is over the Hooghly river. Hooghly bridge and Howrah bridge is over Hooghly river. Hooghly bridge is over Hooghly and it is situated in Kolkata. Okay. So in Kolkata there is a Hooghly river, and over this Hooghly river there is a Hooghly bridge and Howrah bridge. Okay. So let's see the next slide. Here three major towns, important towns of India. First is Hyderabad, which is beside Musi river. Hyderabad is beside Musi river. Musi river. So here you have to keep a story that Hyder movie का म्यूजिक एक क्लास था. हैदर मूवी का म्यूजिक एक क्लास था. हैदर फ्रॉम हैदर हैदराबाद, हैदर हैदराबाद. एंड मूसी म्यूजिक हैदर मूवी का म्यूजिक अच्छा था. एंड यू हैव टू नो दैट हैदराबाद एंड सिकंदराबाद is divided by Musi river. So Hyderabad is beside Musi river and the shortcut trick is हैदर मूवी का म्यूजिक एक क्लास था. हैदर हैदराबाद, म्यूजिक मूसी. Okay, so next Panaji is the capital of Goa, is beside Mandavi river. Mandavi. PAN card is very important for man. PAN means Panaji, man means Mandavi. Okay, PAN card, we all know that PAN card is very important for man, because if you haven't a PAN card then you will not going to access your ATM card. So PAN card is very important for man. All of you know that man and woman is here, but here the trick is to remember that PAN card is very important for man. So PAN means Panaji and man means Mandavi river. Okay, so Panaji is the capital of Goa. The next is Cuttack, Mahanadi. Cuttack is in Odisha. And the shortcut trick is some dacoits attack. Cuttack attack on Maharaja of Odisha. ओडिशा का महाराजा के ऊपर dacoits attack किया है. So some dacoits attack on the Maharaja of Odisha. Maharaja means Mahanadi. Cuttack attack, it easily connected. Cuttack attack. किसके ऊपर अटैक किया है? महाराजा. Here you have Maharaja, Mahanadi. Okay, so some dacoits attack on Maharaja of Odisha. Our national hero Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack on 23rd January 1897. Subhash Chandra Bose, our national hero, was born in Cuttack on 23rd of Jan 1897. So some dacoits attack on Maharaja of Odisha. So let's see the next slide, which there is a last four towns. First one is Kota, which is in Rajasthan. From the name of Kota you are going to know the IIT coaching center is very famous for Kota, and Kota is basically beside the Chambal river. Chambal, from Chambal Kambal, you have to connect with Chambal and Kambal. Kota factory produces Kambal. or cushion. Kota factory produces kambal. Kota factory actually produces kambal. So you have to know that Kota, Rajasthan is produces kambal, means cushion. From kambal you have to know that chambal. And Kota is actually famous for IIT coaching hub. Success rate is more than 50% here. The next is Ahmedabad, Sabarmati. You all know that Gandhiji's famous Dandi March was started from Sabarmati Ashram. The largest cricket stadium, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium, is located also in Ahmedabad, Motera Stadium. And the Gandhiji's famous Dandi March, you have to keep in mind Sabarmati river actually beside the Ahmedabad town. So you have to keep in mind that Gandhiji's Dandi March was started from Sabarmati Ashram. From Sabarmati, you have to keep in mind Sabarmati River, which is from Ahmedabad. Okay, and here the largest stadium, which is Sardar Vallabhbhai Stadium or Motera Stadium, is located here. And then is Surat, is beside the Tapti. From Tap, you have to keep in mind top, top. And from Surat, the silk city. The silk city Surat is top in textile in India. Thus, silk city Surat is top ki. This city is become top in the sector of textiles. So you have to keep in mind Surat is top, means Tapti. The river is Tapti. So Surat, the silk city, is top in textile in India. So Surat river is basically become top in India. And the last one is Guwahati, which is in Assam. So Guwahati is beside Brahmaputra. From Brahmaputra you have to means that Brahma, the god Brahma. Brahmaputra, the Brahma is our god. We all know that Brahma is our god. The god means Guwahati. G, god, G, Guwahati. Brahma is our god, Brahmaputra. So you can easily keep in mind that from Guwahati and Brahmaputra. So Brahma is our god. And a small knowledge is Bhupen Hazarika Setu, which is 20 kilometer, India's largest setu, is located here. Bhupen Hazarika Setu, India's largest setu, is located here. Guwahati, Brahmaputra. Brahma is our god. So in the last, you have to easily remember all this, and we have to quick revision. We have to do a quick revision. There is a 7 main river, which is Haridwar, Varanasi, Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Bhagalpur and Munger beside the Ganga river. Then Gadabori is basically beside Nasik. Nasik town is located beside Godabori. राम ने गदा लेके रावण का नाक तोड़ दिया था. Okay, so next is Happy Go Lucky. Go means Gomti, Lucky means Lucknow. मुन्ना दिल्ली जाके आग लगा दी. Munna means Yamuna, Delhi means Delhi, and Ag means Agra. Hooghly Bridge, Hooghly River is beside Kolkata. Then Hadar movie का music एक class था. Hadar means Hyderabad, music means Musi. Then pan card is very important for man. Pan means Panaji and mans mean Mandavi. Then some dacoits attack on Maharaja of Odisha. Maharaja means Mahanadi. The next, Kota factory produces Kambal means Chambal. Kota means Rajasthan. Kota IIT. Then Sabarmati, which is famous for Gandhiji's Dandi March beside Ahmedabad. Then Surat, the silk city, is top in textile in India. Surat, Tapti, and then Brahma is god. Guwahati is beside Brahmaputra. Okay, by this you can remember easily, and there will be no headache to remember. And the next, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, because it takes too much to create tricks to remember. So please share, subscribe and like, and keep learning, keep watching and keep sharing.